Oh, not your average doc again. According to your decade experience, what do you think high achievers have high IQ? Or is it related to more work? I mean, it's not an IQ test. So the harder, I mean, if you discipline, structured, treat this as a full-time job, you'll do very well. I have doctors who are very sharp and smart, intelligence, really high. They don't have the time to dedicate to study and do well. So if you buckle and grind, anyone can do very well on these tests, because it's just basically putting yourself in this situation to understand what the questions are asking you. So a couple of things, guys. If you're not putting time every day, eventually it slips. There's an expiration date on this test when you're studying. You can't, because I know this for a fact. I have a lot of close friends, people that I work with, who try to spend an hour a day only, and they'll never take the test because it just takes too much time. You can't do much in 1 hour a day for STEP. You have to decide, are you going to dedicate more time? And if you do so, you have to make sure you're realistic with your timeline. So that's why IQ, yeah, I mean, obviously if you're sharp and you pick up things fast, you should have a better chance, but it isn't an IQ test. I have a lot of doctors who, they're just hard workers and they have to review a lot to learn the information. Yeah, awesome, cool. All right, one more question, guys, because I got to get going. Okay, this is a good question. Let me see. I have a few right in front of me. My team sends me the questions and I look at which ones I want to answer. So I only have time for one more. So again, guys, thank you for jumping on. I have done, here we go. Ready? This is a good question. Awesome question. Legendary question. Ready for it? Let me pause. I got to drink a little coffee for this one. Total Peru, huh? Yeah, I've always wanted to go to Peru. It's cool. Awesome. Thanks for jumping on. Total Mente, 1, 2, 3. Question, ready? Here we go. I have done UWorld twice. 2 times. I hate this. I've done it twice. And I'm still scoring 45 to 50%. Okay. Ready for this one? They've wasted 6+ months of their life. I know many people like this. So I'm going to tell you the hard truth. You did UWorld twice. Maybe 3 months, 4 or 5 months each, 6 months, maybe 7, because you're working, school. 50%. What do you do now? Oh, you don't want to hear my answer. I mean, it's a good one. But many of you, and me, by the way, when I was a student, there was not that many resources. And our school, loved the school. Schools did the best they could, but they said just do questions all day, every day. It's kind of like saying, I want you to go to the hospital right now and go see 50 patients a day. But no one's going to help you. There's no one's going to guide you. There's no attending physician that will help you learn the information. So you know what happens?